Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training. You can contact us through the number that is provided on the channel, and also you can WhatsApp us through the number that is in this video. So we are looking into real exam questions. So the one that we are going to cover now is the Long Acre to South Wharf Road. So let's click on this. Now once again you can see here we have our red point here and the green here, so we need to go slightly above the green point towards the left side. So that's how we're going to plan it, right? So always kind of visualize how we are moving towards this point. So let's zoom in from here, and we can see where our green point is. It's on the arrow, which is one way, so we need to go this way. We can't come out here, right? So just click on this, come here, go up, and then you come out of this again, come down, and then we can go inside here, right? And then we can go up. Okay, so from here actually what we can do is we can come out here. Instead of going up, we can go this way, and then we carry on going straight here. Okay, just taking this, and then you can see this is the arrow here, we can see, and then from this arrow we just come down, just keep on going down here, and then we can go towards the left side, because we know that the point is towards the left side, right? So we just follow this one, follow this one here, and then you come up from here, up here, and then let's zoom out just to see where exactly we are and where the point is. So point is here, so we can come down here. So let's come out, let's zoom in a bit more, and then we can come out here. So keep on going down, and here you can see, just follow this arrow, just follow this arrow around, and then sorry, let's do this one again. So just follow this arrow here, and then you come out, go up, and then here just follow this arrow again, so we can go straight up from here, straight up, just keep going straight. This is one way anyway, so we'll just keep going straight, and again with this arrow we know that we can go this way here, and then we can come out here. So let's zoom out. So this point is here, so we are going this way, right? So that means we just need to simply go straight from here again, because the point is on the top side. So you just keep going straight, and then you can see the point. We can see now the destination here, the red point. So if we go straight from here, we can simply turn left here, and then from here, this is the arrow, so you can see this is one way, so we can get in here, go straight, and then you can simply turn left, and you can see the point is here, so you just click on the point. So that's how we've done this. So you can simply see how straight it looks like. It is a bit lengthy again, but the main thing is that, you know, the path that we take is the shortest, quickest and most direct path that we can, or the route that we can follow. Okay, so yeah, so just a few things. You just need to follow the arrows. Just make sure that, you know, wherever it is one way, you just kind of keep an eye on that thing, because that would make it much easier then Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.